Hello everybody. So today we are going to the fabric store so I can pick up some more batting. I'm gonna head over to a store in Brooklyn because I think it's gonna be more cost effective. If I go into the garment district, it might be too much and I don't know who has batting like that. So anyway, so let's head out now. All right guys, I finally made it. Let's see what they have. Ooh, I won't be here for a while because I need to warm up. It's cold outside. Ooh, what is this? I like these. I always like some check plaids. These are very fun. Especially good for tailoring. What are these? These are nice. Feels like fur, but it has like a Sherpa feel. It's nice. Faux furs. Zebras in, I know that. These Masoni knits. These are cute. You can make a cute sweater. Love it. All right, guys. So here is the batting. What is this? Hold on. I don't like this. This is like thin. But I do like the $3.99. They got a $6.99 and an $8.99. I think I'm gonna get the $3.99. All right, let me get some help. Yeah. Oh, put it right here? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Move your arm. Okay. Perfect. Put in my bag. Okay guys, so I want to come on here to announce what you guys selected to be paired with the peplum top. So I did a poll on Instagram and I also asked you guys, and I already knew the design that I really wanted to go with anyway, but I felt like I wanted to ask you guys because, you know, this is like a whole design process and I feel like, you know what, why not include you guys? But I'm happy to announce that you guys also selected the pencil skirt. That was the popular vote, okay? And I'm like, yes, you guys are with me, okay? I think that the pencil skirt is going to complement the peplum top, and I can't wait to get started on it because I'm gonna be designing it to have like a rounded hip, but I also wanna keep it fitted and not too costumey. So here is the batting. I got like 3 yards of it, maybe 3.5, just in case, because I'm going to be making a dress with this as well. So we're going to continue the series after the skirt. So I'm excited about that. And then I got me some more of the rhinestone sequin, or the sequin fabric from my storage. I ran out of the first one. And so I just had to go get some more. So thank goodness I had some more in my storage. So now I'm gonna get started on draping the skirt. Here is the dress form. I just basically put my lines to drape the skirt. Here's some of the scraps that's left over from my batting. All I'm gonna do is just basically pin this along the side seam like this. And you've seen this done before. I have a video where I basically show you how to upgrade your dress form size to the next size. I'll link it in the description box if you haven't seen it or you don't remember, so you can refresh your memory. So I padded the hips of the dress form so I can drape the skirt right on top. I'm going to be creating more of a rounded hip line because I want it to kind of be a little bit exaggerated, but not too much because I don't like a hippie look. But I think just for it to like curve on the side, it's gonna be interesting with a tiny waist. And so this is what it looks like right now, and I'm gonna get ready to start draping. Okay, so here is the skirt pinned up, and it looks good. So I'm gonna go and transfer it onto muslin so I can see the mock-up, and then make the corrections if necessary. Okay, so this is the first round of the pencil skirt, and a lot of fit issues. It's not looking rounded in the hips, and it's a little too big. And in the back, I still want to do like a corset lace up in the back. And I feel like there's too much fabric in the front of the skirt, so I might have to take it off in the side seam for the front. But over here, I'm just not liking it. So I'm gonna go back and reshape this hip line. Here is the third fitting. And the skirt looks better. There's a bit of a little fit issues going on. So right here, I see there's a lot of fabric here. So I'm gonna just take this in and fold it just like that, so that way I can remove some of that excess fabric in this area. See, now it looks better. So this is it, guys. I mean, so far so good, just minor fit issues. Once again, that's part of the fitting. And I'm gonna make those adjustments, and I think I'm gonna recut this out so I can truly see the fit of this. But
I think it's fine.
Okay, people, so this is the skirt now, and it's fitting so much better. So I adjusted the side a little bit here just to take some of that excess fabric that's showing up here on the side. And this is the back now, which I like. So I'm gonna take this side and use this side as the pattern to adjust, to make my adjustments. But overall, this is a good fit, and I'm gonna move forward. Here is my pattern. I made my corrections. So this is the pattern fully completed. I'm gonna stop the vlog here, and we're gonna resume it in the next one, where I'm going to be doing a different technique for the fabric before cutting it out. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.